Hi everyone, I'm Paddy Donnelly and I'm the illustrator of The Big Bang, which is one of the £1, €1.50 books for World Book Day 2026. And what I would like to read more of is your stories. So I think like children have the most amazing imaginations and you can tap into this story creation mode far easier than grown-ups can. And I think you come up with the best stories and you're not limited by any rules whatsoever, and you can dream up stories about giant elephants with spider legs and traveling through outer space and things. You can do that so easily, and I'm really jealous of that. But I would love to read more of your stories. So if you write one of your stories and you make a little book and you draw all of the drawings inside, I would get your grown-up to send it to the people at World Book Day, and maybe they can share it, and then I can get to see some of the amazing drawings you've done and read your stories. So yeah, if there's anything I want to read more of, it's more stories created by young people who just have this amazing imagination and storytelling muscle that they're able to use really easily, because it takes me a while sometimes to warm up my creative muscles, and sometimes I work really hard on a problem, but I think kids are the best storytellers out there. So I would love to read more of your stories.